Morning, H-Town. Jesse here. We are on our way out to the northeast side of Houston, back out to Summerwood. I was out there a couple of days ago, and I did a friend of mine's house, front of her house, gutters and driveway. A neighbor came out and wanted me to do the same thing to his. And as I started, when I cut off my ball valve, my hose popped. That was the second hose that popped that week. I had two 100-foot hoses, and I was down to 0 hoses. So got them repaired yesterday, and we are going back out there to finish up this job. So stay tuned. All right, good morning, guys. We are out here in Summerwood Estates out here in Houston. We are going to be doing this driveway, sidewalks. I'm gonna hop up on the roof in a little bit and blow out these gutters. We've got a lot of organic growth underneath here, as you can see, all the way down. Easy peasy. Around the door trim, bricks. As you can see, the driveway, sidewalk, and this was porch. Rails, all this fun stuff. So this one's got a lot of we'll be out here for a little bit, and I'm about to get the hose hooked up, get the water going, and then I'm going to start wetting everything down, hop on the roof and blow these gutters out, and we go rock and roll, baby. Stay tuned. Supposed to start filling up the tank, and I forgot. So give me a few, and I'm gonna start pre-treating everything, or wetting everything. Alright, so while the tank's filling, I'm just gonna go ahead and start wetting everything down with my soft wash. Just fresh water, and as the tank gets up to about halfway, I'll turn on the bleach, and then I'll start my soft wash process, and then I'm going to do the house, complete it, and then I'm going to start on the driveway. little touch up on this gutter up here, and I still got to do that part of the house. So just gonna let this run through real quick. There we go. Driveway. We're gonna do some touching up in a little bit on the gutter, but it'll be alright. It was pretty mildewy, so I'm going to rinse it down and move the camera right here, and then you'll probably see some striping, and then I'm going to go over it with about 2%, 2.5%. I'm going to hit these gutters again real quick on the other side with about 2.5%, real quick, and then flush the hose with clean water and rinse everything down. Not sure if you can see it from the camera, but there's a lot of striping. This one had a lot of algae on it. Actually, surface cleaner cleaned it up pretty good, but some little swirlies. So, I'm gonna drop some SH and get those taken care of. That is a wrap. Let's go check it out. Rocking and rolling, baby. We got some staining on the gutters. Algae sat too long, but everything came out really good. All of that. All of that. Garage doors, door trim, driveway, sidewalks. I treated it so it'll be clean as I leave. All this has a top coat on it, so I don't want to put the surface cleaner on it. But other than that, windows, trim, caulking. Baby. That's a wrap, baby. Double J. Taking care of business. He's out here washing. We out.